guys, and today's vlog is Kyle will gonna unboxing the new yung new chair. I wanted to say table. Yeah. So yeah, unboxing niya guys. We just buy it. So yan guys, bubuksan na niya. Kyle is first time to do unboxing. We will see if he knows how to make it.
I don't know. I want to see too.
Yeah.
I don't know how to make it. I go after to the gym. I want to see this.
So ayan guys, nailabas niya na lahat. And now, we're gonna
What you did with knife?
study how it's work.
Number one, you look for it.
Tinutulungan na siya ni Peter kasi alam ko hindi niya yan alam guys.
Oh, you have to push it.
So, ayan. Guys, tapos na yung gulong. Gulong talaga. What we call on that, honey? Wheels. Ayan. So, nag-start sila sa paa. Paa ng upuan. So, ayan. Tinuturuan siya ni Peter, guys, kung paano ikabit.
Now you get the sheet. This one? Yeah.
Ayan.
Because it's not standing. Good luck.
Is struggling. It's difficult. Tapos na yung kanyang what we call on that, honey?
This has to go off. Then, I think. Oh, that one.
Yung upuan. Okay. Tagalog na natin, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So you can sit on.
No, not sit yet.
Not sit yet.
Wait.
I'm gonna put this one, guys. Ito. Yung hawakan niya.
Yeah, then the side.
The side, okay. Pili din siya ng laptop support. Ayan, in-unboxing na niya. Ayan. Pwede siya sa bed. Ayan. So, kinakabit ni Narikal yung sa side ng upuan.
This one go outside.
Ayan, kinakabit na pala nilang dalawa, guys.
Yeah, because this one's the best.
Other side, si Kyle naman ang magkakabit. We will look if you can do it. Guys, naikabit na nila. Ngayon naman is what do you call on that?
The sheet.
No, the seat is already finished. And that is the one for
The back.
the back. Ayan.
You put it down. You have that one?
Guys, kay Kyle yan, kasi yung upuan ko, siya ang gumagamit. Kailangan ko na ngayon. Dahil bumalik na ako sa YouTube. So, kailangan ko ng may upuan sa table ko. Kaya, bumili kami ng bago. Anyway, bumili si Kyle ng bago. para sa kanya. Kasi sabi ko, kailangan ko na yung upuan ko. Nag-eyeglass si Peter, guys. Kasi hindi daw niya makita yung madilim. So, dyan sila struggle sa pagkabit niyan. Pero madali lang daw siya ikabit. Ay, madali lang siyang i-assemble. Ayan.
Oh.
Ayan, busy pa rin. Hindi kaya ikabit ni Kyle, guys. Kaya si Peter na nagkabit. Anyway, tulungan sila. Kasi kung hindi mo hahawakan, hindi may kakabit kung walang maghahawak. So, ayan. Busy pa rin. Is almost done.
One more.
One more
Then we have
things.
to make it tight.
Okay. Sa room ni Kyle gagamitin to, guys. Sa next vlog ko is ano tayo? Magtutor tayo sa mga room namin. Para makita nyo yung room ni Kyle kung gaano kakalat.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Guys, tapos na. Unang upo is si Peter.
Yeah.
Ayan.
But the chair is not to lay.
Not to lay, to sit.
This one is for.
Yeah.
Oh, that is still.
Mooi.
That's a good chair. Why you go to the front? What is this?
Din ni Kyle upo sa upuan niya, guys. Finally. How much you buy?
150.
150. 150 euro. Yeah. Mahal din kung sa convert natin sa pera natin sa Pinas. So,
You have to turn
may sarili
something.
na siyang upuan.
Turn. Plus. And then
May sariling pera niya yan, guys. Ayan. May something wrong ata, kaya titignan ni Peter. May sariling work na kasi si guys. Ay, may sariling work na bubulol tulog. May sariling work si Carl. May part-time siya. Nag-work siya 3 times a week. So, yan. Kaya may pera siya. Kaya may pangbili siya. O, diba? Add. So, that's all for today, guys. Say bye-bye to my vlog. Ako naman nagsalita. Doy. Until next one.